Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Wednesday, December 3rd, 2025. Hope you're all doing well. All right, so I want to give you a few updates here at NASDAQ here, folks. You can see here, this is a Heikin-Ashi candles up here. And you can see here that, back a few days ago, we went back to a bullish Heikin-Ashi candle. You can also see what I call the flat bottoms. Let me change the color here. The flat bottoms here. Again, that's bullish activity. And so again, we've been in an uptrend. We get these retracements. This was a larger retracement, right? It's the first sell zone we've had in a while here on the daily chart on the NQ. But again, what we look for then, if you're looking to get bullish in the market as a swing trader, wait for the turnaround, right here. And now you can see as well all these flat bottoms, but then the champion cross, has also now started turning green here as well. So if and when we get back to a buy zone here, we'll probably look at hitting new highs and then some. But again, it's all about, to me, the Heikin-Ashi formations. And we had several different factors here saying we're heading bullish. We had the algorithm, we had the Laguerre. TRP cross was below the zero line here, but as well, it did a signal as well. So with that, folks, so as a day trader, when we came in this morning here on Wednesday, looking at the volume profile, one of the things that I mentioned was that we had right before the 9:30 open, a HADS, Heikin-Ashi Delta Smooth, saying, hey, once you get that green 5-minute bar, this is more than likely statistically at the bottom. Okay. And so once we then got into the 9:30 open, we consolidated. And then as we started going higher, that was my bias to the upside based on, looking at that volume profile, knowing that the gap from the 4 p.m. close yesterday was to the upside as well as the point of control. So we had a lot of factors telling us statistically after this blow off to the downside, we're probably going to head higher. So then when I looked at in the WealthCharts live training room, when we started looking for trades after 9:40, you can see here that on the 1-minute chart, that's what you're looking at here. On the 1-minute chart, we had a pullback here, folks. And then a little after 10:15, I got the formation I like to see. Okay, I like to see we had a TRP cross after a HADS and a Laguerre back here with a green Heikin-Ashi telling us, hey, this is the setup we're looking for. And at the time as well, the Heikin-Ashi algorithm was bullish as well at the time of this entry. And again, had a nice move here. I actually got out. I had it at 20 ticks is when I got out there, folks. Others got more, but regardless, that was the trade today. And then we started really kind of going back and forth. And mom and dad were fighting in multiple time frames. And so the rest of the session, we really focused in on the teaching and some of the concepts on what I look for in order to be a successful trader. So it was a lot of fun. And by the way, if you're interested in joining me tomorrow morning, click on the hamburger menu, folks. And then again, you just go down here to education, Wealth Chart events, and you can put that on your, anywhere on your screen there. Let me just blow this up for you. And then from there, if we click on Thursday the 4th, you can see on Thursdays, I start early, 8 a.m. Eastern. So come join me. We'll go over some potential trading as well as teaching, throughout that morning. And I look forward to seeing you all there. So have a great evening, everyone, and take care.